In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a lightbox to images and galleries in Squarespace. A lightbox is that clean, full-screen pop-up that appears when someone clicks an image, dimming the background so the photo takes center stage. It's a great way to showcase visuals without sending visitors to another page, and it works nicely for both single images and galleries. Start by opening the page in your Squarespace editor where your images or gallery live. Move your cursor over the section that contains them and click Edit Section. This opens the section settings panel on the side, which is where the display options for that section are controlled. If you don't see your images in that section, back out and select the correct one, then return to Edit Section. Inside the section settings, look for the Lightbox option and click it to turn it on. That's the core change. With Lightbox enabled at the section level, images and gallery items within that section will open in a full screen overlay when clicked, rather than linking away or expanding awkwardly on the page. For galleries, visitors can typically navigate through images using on-screen arrows, and a clear close button will return them to the page. After enabling it, give it a quick test in the editor preview by clicking an image. You should see the darkened backdrop, your image centered, and clean navigation. If nothing happens, check whether that image was set to open a click-through URL. A direct link can take priority over the lightbox, so remove the link if you want the lightbox behavior. For the best results, use high-quality images that are sized appropriately. Lightboxes display images larger than they appear in line, so blurry or overly compressed files will be noticeable. Add descriptive alt text for accessibility. Screen readers won't rely on the lightbox visually, so good alt text ensures everyone gets the context. If you use captions, they can appear in the lightbox as well, which is perfect for credit, titles, or short descriptions. On mobile, the lightbox keeps visitors on the same page and typically supports gestures like swiping between gallery items, making navigation smooth. Keep an eye on performance. If your page includes many large images, consider optimizing file sizes so the lightbox loads quickly. When you're happy with the behavior, exit the editor as you normally do to keep your changes. That's all there is to it. Click Edit Section, enable Lightbox, and your images and galleries immediately feel more immersive and professional.